What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create collections in your Shopify store. If you are a new Shopify store owner and you are looking for a way to create a collection and maybe create an automation where each time you add a new product it is automatically added to that collection which you created, then this video will be very helpful for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's create a collection. So as you can see right now, I am on the home screen of my Shopify backend. And the first thing I'm gonna do is go to products. From products, go to collections. Under collections, create a collection. Name this collection, let's say featured collection. And you can keep the description blank. Not many stores have collections with a description, but if you would like to add it on a later stage, of course you can come back and edit the text. Scroll all the way down. If you want to add products one by one, you can select manual collection, or if you want to make this as an automation, select automation. Now here you can see there are many different options. If the product title is equal to something, or product type, product vendor, product price. Usually it is recommended that you always use product tags. So I'm just going to use product tags. And let's say tag is equal to t-shirts. That's it. And every product which has t-shirt in their tags will be added to this collection. Let's say you do not have any tags added to any of your products right now. So for that, what you can do is go to all products, select the products which you would like to add to the collection we just created. And from here, the first thing is you can directly add it to the collection. Let's say featured collection. So right now it is not able to find the featured collection because we selected the rule as an automation, not a manual. If it was selected as a manual collection, we would see that collection here and we would be able to add these products to that collection. So now since it is automated, just click cancel and click on add tags. So once you click on add tags, add the tag t-shirts, enter and click on save. Now as all of these products have tags t-shirts, it will be automatically added to the collection. Just going to open featured collection. And if you scroll down, you will see the 4 products to which we added t-shirts as tags are automatically added to this collection. I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye, take care.